A summer barbecue is underway, the drink cooler is empty, and your refrigerator is making ice at the speed of a sleepy turtle. A water dispenser with a built-in ice maker solves that problem while also covering your everyday hydration and morning coffee. In this video, we'll compare 7 popular models, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and help you choose the right one for your needs. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. IcePure 001. Imagine walking into the kitchen, tapping a control, and getting cold water, hot water, or fresh ice without opening the refrigerator. That all-in-one convenience is the main attraction here, especially for families where everyone seems to want something different at the same time. The machine produces 9 bullet-shaped ice pieces in roughly 5 to 8 minutes, with a claimed daily capacity of up to 35 pounds. It can also provide crushed ice, which is useful for soft drinks, frozen-style beverages, and quickly cooling food. Water temperatures range from approximately 32 degrees Fahrenheit for cold water to 194 degrees for tea and instant meals. Because the bottle loads into the bottom cabinet, you avoid lifting a heavy jug above shoulder height. The magnetic door, shortage alert, and remote controls through the Tuya application add a level of convenience most basic dispensers simply do not offer. This makes the most sense for a technology-friendly household or shared office that wants maximum versatility. The trade-off is their complexity. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Manistin. Different drink preferences can create surprising countertop chaos. One person wants tea, someone else needs cold water, and the children are searching for ice. This 4-in-1 unit puts those options into one slim appliance, reducing the need for a separate kettle, cooler, and countertop ice machine. Its ice maker creates up to 12 cubes per batch in approximately 6 to 10 minutes. That is useful during family meals or small gatherings because new ice keeps arriving instead of requiring you to remember trays hours earlier. Hot water reaches around 203 degrees Fahrenheit, while cold water stays near 41 degrees. The top-mounted soft-touch controls are easy to see without crouching, and the hot water child lock adds important protection in busy homes. I would recommend this one for families, break rooms, or shared apartments where multiple functions matter more than advanced smart features. Its top-loading design does expose the bottle, however, and replacing a full 5-gallon container still requires some careful lifting. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Brio 520 SC. Cleaning a water cooler is one of those chores people tend to postpone until the dispenser starts looking suspicious. Brio addresses that awkward reality with ultraviolet self-cleaning, allowing the machine to maintain its internal system with much less hands-on effort. This model offers hot, cold, and room temperature water, so it works equally well for chilled drinks, instant oatmeal, tea, or simply filling a bottle without freezing your teeth. Bottom loading also means the heavy jug slides into a cabinet instead of being flipped upside down above the machine. Your back will appreciate that decision immediately. A nightlight illuminates the dispensing area, which is more useful than it sounds during early mornings or late-night water runs. The removable drip tray is also easier to monitor, and the 2-step hot water control helps prevent accidental dispensing around children. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. IcePure 15. Waiting several hours for refrigerator ice feels especially painful when guests are already arriving. This machine shortens that delay dramatically, producing 9 bullet-shaped pieces in approximately 6 to 11 minutes and continuing at a claimed rate of up to 33 pounds per day. Those rounded ice pieces are designed to remain separate rather than freezing into one stubborn block. Alongside the ice maker, you get hot and cold water dispensing, making the unit useful for chilled drinks, coffee, tea, and everyday hydration. It is rated for groups of roughly 6 to 8 people, which makes it practical for busy households or smaller workplaces. The top-loading design accepts 2, 3, and 5-gallon bottles, and the straightforward control panel should be manageable even for less technology-confident users. Noise is rated below 43 decibels, so it should blend into a kitchen, office, gym, or waiting room without becoming the loudest object nearby. This is a strong fit for buyers who want reliable ice production with simple controls. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Brio 420. Sometimes the smartest appliance is the one that quietly removes small annoyances. This Brio hides the water bottle inside a bottom cabinet, eliminating the awkward lift, flip, and hope for the best routine that comes with traditional top-loading coolers. 3 temperature options cover most daily needs. Cold water is ready after exercise, room temperature water is comfortable for regular sipping, and hot water makes tea or instant food more convenient. The machine also alerts you when the bottle needs replacing, so you are less likely to discover an empty jug while holding a completely dry coffee mug. Its stainless steel accent gives it a cleaner residential look than many bulky office dispensers. A two-step safety mechanism protects the hot water control, making the design more suitable for family spaces where curious hands may reach the panel. This would be my pick for someone wanting a dependable, attractive bottom-loading cooler without complicated controls. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Vevor. This one approaches the category differently. Rather than focusing on hot and room temperature water, it concentrates on cold drinks and 2 kinds of ice. You can dispense cylinder-shaped pieces for beverages or crush fresh ice for smoothies, cocktails, desserts, and those dramatic restaurant-style cups that are mostly ice with a little drink hiding inside. Each ice cycle takes around 7 minutes, while total production can reach 35 pounds per day. That capacity makes the machine particularly appealing for parties, shared offices, or households that empty ice trays faster than anyone remembers to refill them. Water can be added manually, or the machine can connect directly to a supply line for automatic refilling. That flexibility allows it to work in an apartment temporarily, or become a more permanent fixture in a kitchen. A 5-minute self-cleaning cycle also reduces the effort involved in regular upkeep. This is the one I would choose for frequent entertainers and smoothie fans who prioritize ice variety. The weakness is equally clear. It provides cold water rather than the full hot, cold, and room temperature selection offered by several competitors. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Brio 520BL. A visible water bottle may not be the most elegant kitchen decoration, but it does provide one undeniable advantage. You can instantly see when the supply is running low. This Brio uses that straightforward top-loading design and combines it with an attractive stainless steel cabinet that fits comfortably in homes, offices, and break rooms. You receive hot, cold, and room temperature water, covering everything from refreshing bottles to tea and instant meals. A tight bottle seat helps protect the water supply, while independent safety testing and Energy Star certification provide additional reassurance for buyers planning to run the dispenser every day. The nightlight is particularly useful when filling a glass in a dark kitchen, and the 2-step hot water control reduces the chance of accidental burns. Operation stays refreshingly uncomplicated. No application setup, elaborate menus, or confusing sequence of buttons. This is the best choice for buyers who value simplicity, recognized certification, and dependable water dispensing. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best water cooler dispensers that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.